For Daryl Anderson and the team at Anderson Restoration, each client is an opportunity to change lives one project at a time.
It all started with a dream and a pastor suggesting that I get into the roofing business at the age of 15, which I didn't know what that meant, but that's exactly what happened. Since then, we evolved to doing water and fire mitigation, restoration services, flooring, and remodeling in-house. What we deal with is not just property, but people, and it's personal, whether it's their business or their homes. Those that have been negatively affected by hurricanes and fires and floods, we help bring hope and stability into a catastrophic situation. So our mission statement is changing lives one project at a time.
From A to Z, they are a one-stop shop, working hard to make sure that each project isn't just restored, but that it's even better than it was before.
We have parlayed our experience in building back homes after a catastrophic event into home remodels. We have an in-house flooring and cabinetry expert. This individual is able to cultivate relationships with multiple manufacturers and suppliers. And what this does is ensures that we can bring to our homeowner the best selection and pricing.
Roofing is important because it provides the major protection from your home from the elements, rain, and snow, hail. That's what you need a roof for, is protect your home. It's a pretty big process to install a new roof. We have certified installers that we go out and we make sure that everything is done properly. We do commercial roofs, residential roofs, TPO to shingles, to silicone coatings. The process of installing a new roof, generally on the residential homes, we can get it done in a day or two. We start off early in the morning at daylight. We tear the shingles off. We install new underlayment, new ice and water shield in all the valleys, new shingles, new ridge vents, new ridge caps, and then we paint all the accessories on the roof so everything matches. It makes it a very pretty looking roof.
They believe in helping clients who are working through catastrophic events in their lives. This is especially true when dealing with insurance claims.
Insurance is not in the construction business, they're in the insurance business. So we as contractors, when we get the assignments from the insurance, as a vetted vendor of the insurance programs, that's a lot of our work comes through that. We're instilling hope and giving them stability by taking everything from the insurance claim, negotiations, being their advocate on that, to coordinating all the repairs from A to Z.
I maintain relationships with vendors, agents, plumbers, clients, all of our subcontractors, all of those guys, so that in the event that something was to pop up, anything throughout one of these projects were to pop up, we have the answer. If we don't have the answer in-house, we have vendors, we have guys that we could go outside of our natural realm, our scope, and grab those vendors, pull them in, help us out to get the homeowner or the business owner back engaged into their property as fast as possible after a catastrophic event hits their home or their business.
Not all contractors are created equal. It's important for you to know that you can trust us. We are professional, knowledgeable, and able to get the job done on time and within the budget.
We bring things back to life because we take things back to the square one. We take things back to the way they were before the event happened. We take it from there and we build it back up. Drywall insulation, paint, cabinetry, flooring, so on and so forth, whatever it takes to get back to pre-loss condition. We handle all types of jobs because of the people we employ that are experts in their positions in wind, hail, water, and fire.
And the work speaks for itself.
I believe God called me into the restoration business. He's in the restoration business, and He wants me to do the same. We care. We care about our customers. What we do from the team we have here, relationships here, starts within the foundation of who we are, our culture as a business. It's about people, it's about relationships, and doing what God has us in a position to bring stability and to bring hope to these people.
To find out more about Anderson Restoration, visit andersonrestore.com and designingspaces.tv.